here, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I am here in the Tempe office with Lisa, pronounce your last name? Sandoval.
Sandoval.
Lisa Sandoval. And we're talking about prospecting. Okay, ways we can prospect. So tell them a little about what you're doing here. I know you're out door knocking, but tell them exactly what you're all doing.
So I was inspired by your podcast. That was an interview with Eric Sines from the Goodyear office, and he was
Awesome.
out prospecting expired and canceled listings, and he said that he has to go back an average of a dozen times.
Yeah.
So I just pulled the best marketing materials that I could find out of the VAC and various resources that I had and kind of lined them up here.
Mhm.
That way I knew on the first visit I'm going to give them the first thing. The second visit I'm going to give them the second thing. So that way I don't have to think about it
Okay.
each time I go out and prospect. And there were so many good materials that I found. I actually had another stack of things that I didn't use because I had so many things available.
Now, and you're getting all this information from
Most of it's out of the VAC.
the VAC, right? So I wanted them to hear that. And you also use a buy-side report too, right?
Yeah, I use the buy-side report, and that is a great evaluation of their home and gives them hard numbers that they can go off of.
Okay, cool. So I know Eric because I did that, and I know him very well because I interview him in my Success Series, as you've seen, and the podcast. I know what he does, what his numbers are. What's your goal in implementing this? What would you like to do as far as visits, and what do you think you can do in your first year of implementing it?
Well, I'm hoping to get the number of visits lower because
Be more efficient.
Yeah, just to be more efficient. And I know it's all about follow-up. I know that making the first visit doesn't count if you're not going to do the second, third, and up to
Exactly
however
right.
many times to get that listing appointment. So my goal would be to get more listings, to be more local, because right now my business is spread all over Maricopa County.
Right.
And I want to work closer to home. So this is in a way trying to farm closer to home.
Right.
And hopefully to bring my batting average up so
Gotcha.
that maybe I only have to go 5 or 6 times.
Okay, good. Yeah, because we know Eric's, I think it was 10 or 12.
Yeah,
But
it's
he
a lot.
listed 23. I think it was 23 homes last year, his first year, by using this system. Awesome. Anything else you want to add?
That's it.
All right, cool. Thank you very much.
Bye.